Interior room painting is a project that any homeowner can handle, but before you start applying paint to the walls, you need to protect the flooring.
Now that's where drop cloths come in handy, but the problem with using drop cloths is when you're actually working and painting on the walls, your feet will kick the drop cloths and you still end up with paint right on the floor.
To prevent that from happening, what you need to do is protect the flooring with a strip of 2-inch wide masking tape. Press the tape tight against the baseboard trim and flat against the flooring. Then spread out your drop cloth and put the edge of it on the first layer of tape. Now you don't have to be concerned with how straight the drop cloth is. As long as it covers the first tape layer, you can then adhere it to the floor with a second layer of tape. Now in this case, we're using it over a carpeted floor, but this technique will work on hardwood flooring or vinyl flooring as well.
Now you can also use an inexpensive, lightweight type plastic, but the problem with using plastic is when you're dropping the paint, it'll stay wet and you end up tracking it all over the place.
If you do have to use a plastic drop cloth, cover it with several layers of newspaper. This way if you do spill any paint, the newspaper will absorb the paint spills.
Now of course you're going to spend more on a canvas drop cloth, but it'll last you for a long, long time.